Hey, and welcome to English with Eleanor. So today I'm going to share with you one of my favourite grammar points. This is a grammar point that is mostly used at upper intermediate, like B2 level, and it is when we talk about hypothetical situations. So you've guessed it, it's second and third conditional. We use second and third conditional to talk about hypothetical situations. The second conditional is used for hypothetical situations in the present or future, whereas the third conditional is used for hypothetical situations in the past. And I suppose the reason I really like this grammar point is because it is so useful. We use conditionals a lot because we tend to hypothesize quite a lot in our everyday language. So, like I said, the second conditional is used for hypothetical situations in the present or the future. For example, if I had more money, I would buy a house. If I had more time, I would travel more. Here you can see the examples with the structure underneath. The third conditional is completely hypothetical. So in the third conditional, we are reimagining the past. Now the past has already happened, but we can think about what might have been different if we reimagine it. So for example, if I hadn't become a teacher, I would have studied speech therapy. If she hadn't come to Ireland, she would have moved to Australia. So in this case, we are reimagining a situation in the past. It is completely hypothetical. Have a look at the structure here. Do you have difficulties with conditionals? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to write an example that I can check for you. Subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time.